to you naman, Miss Claire. Can you share more about the, qualifications, skills that needed for our fellow Filipino truck drivers going to Europe?
Yes, actually, I think isa yan sa pinaka-hinihintay na mga audience natin regarding sa information na gusto nyong malaman. So, thank you, Miss Ellie, for opening that topic.
No problem.
So now, guys, I hope you are still with us. Alam ko na sobrang daming information and details na na-open ni Miss Anna. That's just for the first part, or the first topic that we have. And now na mag-move forward tayo for the next talk, we have here the qualification or the skills that you need to possess when you aspire to work as one of the trailer truck drivers in Europe. Sa transport industry kasi sa Europe, guys, isa sa pinaka-binibigyan nila ng importansya or ng kahalagahan is the work experience ng mga drivers natin. So, first and foremost, isa sa pinaka-highlight neto is dapat you have at least 3 years or more than 3 years of working experience as a trailer truck driver, meaning you were able to drive an articulated trailer trucks, not just the straight truck. Kasi in Europe po, the transport industry or the logistics, iba-iba yung mga posibleng cargos na i-deliver nila.
Yeah.
Not just the construction, not just backhoe or the heavy equipment. Most of the time, isa dito sa crucial part na kaya nilang i-deliver is the pharmaceuticals or the perishable goods.
Very sensitive.
Yes, exactly, Miss Ellie. And aside sa sensitive yung cargos or yung mga transport goods na i-deliver ninyo, kailangan is you have the discipline and committed talaga kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. So, aside with the 3 years of experience, you also need to have, most definitely, the skills to communicate in English. Yes po, hindi po tayo pwede makapag-Tagalog.
Walang mahal kita doon. Mahal kita, maraming salamat. Okay.
Oo, kasi pwede lang tayo mag-Filipino sa kapwa natin. Pero kapag yung mga European na mga makakasalamuhan natin, most definitely, guys, kailangan is kaya nating makipagtalastasan, makipag-usap in English. Hindi naman kailangan yung fluent. Kailangan is higher proficiency as long as kaya nilang maintindihan yung information na binabanggit sa kanila or yung mga dapat nilang i-deliver na task or work assignments na ibibigay ng inyong clients. Aside from the technical skills and the communication skills, definitely, kung trailer truck driver ka, kailangan sa lisensya mo is you have the CE, Driver's Restriction Code. Kasi yung CE na yon, para sa kalaman ng lahat, is yun yung makakapagpatunay na kayo ay may kakayahang mag-drive ng articulated trailer trucks. So, makikita po dapat yon sa Philippine Driver's License ng mga aspiring Filipinos natin. Aside from the letters, kasi dati, Miss Ellie and Sir Lee, restriction code is naka-number siya.
Oo nga.
1, 2, 3.
Ngayon, ABCD.
Yes,
sa license ko, AB lang eh. Motor-motor lang ako, tsaka 4 wheels. Kotse.
Kapag 4
4-seater
wheels, mga light vehicle.
Light vehicle.
So, kapag CE, yun yung nakikita nyo sa kalsada na, ay, haba.
Sumisyete. Ngayon ko nga lang na ano kung 7-7 yung pala yun.
Yung articulated is yun yung mga sumisyete nating sasakyan. So, nabanggit ko na, 3 years of experience as trailer truck drivers, English communication skills, meron dapat kayong CE restriction code, and aside from that, advantage to guys, if you already have an idea what is code 95 and tachograph. Kanina, di ba, na-explain ni Miss Anna yung nabigyan niya ng pahapyaw. Yung
kung ano yun. Yung tachograph.
The code 95 kasi in Europe, that's one of the license that you need to secure once na makapunta kayo sa Europe at mag-work kayo bilang trailer truck driver.
Yes. Officially.
Yes.
Officially. Before official, kailangan meron na nun. Okay.
Kasi if you do not have the Code 95 license, tatambay lang po.
Well,
tricycle lang. Charis, may tricycle na parang walang tricycle sa Europe.
Because the Code 95, if I may add, the Code 95 license is the license na kailangan ninyo guys, no? To be legally allowed to drive trailer trucks sa Europe. So kapag wala tayong Code 95 license, definitely you are not legally allowed to drive. So yun, tama nga yung sinabi, tatambay lang tayo. So you need to pass it, guys, no? So you habang nandito pa sa Manila or sa Pilipinas, andyan ang Google, no? You can review it in advance if you're aspiring to work in Europe. Madami tayong channels na pwede ninyong puntahan. Google, mag-Google ka lang, YouTube, mag-watch ka lang. Kung may mga kaibigan na tayo,
mga vlogger,
mga vlogger, ang dami yan. So, kung may mga kaibigan na kayo nandoon na, you may ask them, pare, paano ba ang ang Code 95? Hindi naman natin sinasabing hingin nyo yung sagot o kodigo, no? Pero magkaroon lang tayo ng idea paano tayo makakapasa.
Exactly.
Ang lagi nyo lang tatandaan, team o guys, ano ang purpose natin? No, kung ano yung purpose. So, alam natin para sa pamilya, so you will do everything na makakaya para makapasa. So,
so thank you so much for that so valuable and pertinent information na inad ni Sir Lee. So, yung Code 95 na yon, guys, kailangan nyo talaga siyang maipasa kapag gusto ninyo makapunta sa Europe bilang isa sa mga trailer truck drivers natin. And after the Code 95, kung napakinggan ninyo yung napakagandang message ni Miss Ana, nabanggit niya doon yung tachograph. So the tachograph is one of the most important device kasi built-in yun sa trucks nila.
Kaya nga daw nakalagay daw yun talaga naman. Pag hindi ka umistop,
mag-a-alarm
siya na umistop ka, magpahinga ka, bakla ka.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng dire-diretso ka doon mag-dedicate ka.
Kaya nga.
Magsasarili ka doon.
Basically, yan tachograph, to put into simple perspective, diyan makikita ang driving behavior, activity ng bawat driver. So, kaya pag sinabing you need to rest talaga. So, susundin talaga natin yon. Otherwise, of course, penalty. So, and Europe, pinag-uusapan dito, violation.
That's right.
Magbabayad ka, may record ka sa authority, so magkakaproblema. So otherwise, sunod lang tayo sa policy nila.
Yes, that's right.
So yun naman si-share ko lang din diyan. So yan ang importance talaga. Ang batas sa Europe is strictly enforced. So kagaya naman dito sa Pilipinas, I'm not saying na hindi dito na-enforce, no?
Mababait ang mga trailer truck driver natin. Naniniwala ako.
Yes. They are polite and law-abiding citizens. So kung paano tayo sumusunod sa batas natin dito sa Pilipinas, ganun din ang gagawin natin in Europe especially.
Ang pinagkaiba lang, guys, drivers, our aspiring Filipino drivers, is that mahigpit talaga ang batas trapiko sa European countries. So, we need to strictly follow it. Hindi pwedeng magkakanya-kanya tayo ng desisyon because the consequence of that action na hindi tayo susunod is most definitely may kaakibat yan ng pera.
Yeah, that's right.
Diba nga most...
Kaching.
Paldo-paldo na sana, sayang naman, diba?
Okay.
So, ayun lang yun. Again, to reiterate, guys, the qualification or the skill sets that you need to have is first, the 3 years of experience for the trailer truck driving, the English communication skills, and CE, restriction code in your driver's license. And advantage if you already know or have an idea regarding Code 95 and tachograph.
Okay.
So, Miss Ellie?
Yeah, and I think just to add, yung qualification is nag-flash sa screen nila. So, sana na-screenshot nyo and all. And you can check our website for more information about qualification and all na hindi pwedeng sabihin dito kay Meta. But we have our website, we have our Facebook page that they can check right after this live session. And thank you so much, Miss Claire. And